Jai Hind friends, today we are going to know about our Indian Constitution, which was completed on 26 November 1949, and it was implemented on 26 January 1950. And now we are going to know about our Constitution. First, we are going to know about the Part 6, which is included in Constitution. In Part 6, we know about the state. In the state, there are first of all, we are going to see the important articles which are included in state. First, in state, we are going to know about the legislature. It means the Vidhan Mandal in Hindi. In legislature, the important articles are 168. In the article 168, there is a concept of legislature, which means Vidhan Mandal. And in the article 169, if any state is willing to form the Vidhan Parishad, or it means legislative council, it may form the Vidhan council, but it should be passed from the Vidhan Sabha of that state to the parliament, and the discussion is going to be conducted in the parliament, and the formation of legislative council take place. Next article is 170. In this article, there is a concept of Vidhan Sabha, which means legislative assembly, and the minimum number of seats in legislative assembly is 60, and the maximum number of seats included in legislative assembly is 500. And the article 171, the article 171, which includes Vidhan Parishad. It means in English it tell as legislative council, and the seats present in Vidhan Parishad is 1/6 of Vidhan Sabha. Okay, then the article 173 is going to tell about what are the eligibilities should be there present in the member who is going to stand for elections in legislative assemblies. And in the article 178, the article 178 say about the the speaker and deputy speaker of the Vidhan Sabha. And in article 182, there is a discussion on the chairman and the vice chairman of the legislative council. Here in the Rajya Sabha, the governor in the Rajya Sabha, the chairman of Rajya Sabha is the vice president of India, but here in the legislative council, the chairman of the Vidhan Parishad is not the vice governor of the state. After the article 203, in article 203, there is a discussion of the budget of state, and the next article is article 213. In this article, there is the ordinance power of the governor. Okay friends, if you like our channel, please share and subscribe. Jai Hind.